that the dogmas of quiet past are inadequate to the stormy present. And as I was coming here, I saw a lot of stormy diversions and a lot of unpredictable people, movements, jams, and all of them. And look at what is happening around the world and the country. The stormy present, post-pandemic, pre-pandemic, there are a lot of uncertainties around the world. So he rightly said the dogmas of the quiet past are inadequate to the stormy present. The occasion is piled with high with difficulty, and we must rise to the occasion. Our case is new, and we must think anew and act anew. Long back, a session on 5G recently. And you know, we have progressed from 2G to the 3G to 4G and 5G recently. And similarly, it's also new generation leadership, moving from 2G leadership to 3G to 4G, in a sense, if you could just, like to think like that. Why? Because there is, all of a sudden, we find this quantum change and quantum leap from not just incremental, but exponential change. The challenge is that in exponential change, many of the rules of business leadership, I'm not talking about just leadership in a softer sense. Business leadership does not apply in the way it used to be, what we call the conventional rules. And therefore, we need to have what we call exponential thinking, growth-related thinking, and also solution-focused mindset. So therefore, today we have a challenge that, we need to reimagine ourselves from where we were last couple of 30, 40 years back, or even 10 years back. And now we need to leapfrog from there to a radically different world, which is kind of spawning on us and demands a lot of different kind of thinking, where, you need to engage customers, stakeholders, innovation. Stakeholder capitalism is there. Worldwide geopolitical changes are happening. Look at what happened in Ukraine and the effect on countries and how people need to design and devise their strategies differently. For the future, this is the biggest question which people are asking. And are you preparing to be ready for the future? Somebody said that if you can't predict the future, you can reinvent the future. So reimagine, reinvent the future. So this is basically a leadership, reimagining leadership, what we call new leadership in the current day's world, and how can we prepare to be future ready, what capabilities, what skills are required, and those skills which are not cut-paste, please. Because most of us are used to cut-paste skills. Just kind of, cut-paste from any place anywhere in the world. What research, what empirical research, what contextual research, what market-based research, what kind of research and data points we have. On the basis of that, it has to be a unique value proposition which differentiates you, what you said, how do we stand out, how do we differentiate, how can we have an edge over others. And that edge level thinking is very, very important.